Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching to the end. Of course, at the end is the most painful part. That's where I ask you for help. Uh, subscribe, like, comment, share, donate money. Check out my other sites. But somedayfarm.org should take you to all my links, so maybe check that out. But anyway, today's tip is to take the concepts, the ideas, the feelings, the notions, the philosophies of Tai Chi Chuan and apply them to a form that is not Tai Chi Chuan. So what I don't mean here is to sort of do your form and translate it into a Tai Chi movement. I want you to do the form that you know, if you know another form from another art, but do it after the fashion of Tai Chi Chuan, informed by the principles of Tai Chi Chuan, or maybe informed by a principle, or maybe informed by an attitude of Tai Chi Chuan, or the breathing of Tai Chi Chuan, right? So have fun with that. It should be fun, should be a little bit silly, but it might be that your understanding of Tai Chi Chuan actually can illuminate uh, another art that it wasn't intended to illuminate, because it's an illumination of the human spirit, the human body, and much more than that. So, speaking of illumination, where have you carried your lamp of Tai Chi Chuan? Right, not just to class. Where else have you carried your lamp? Right, maybe subtly, maybe not overtly, but where have you evangelized the art? Where have you shown people the value of Tai Chi Chuan that's not in the dojo? Right, what have you shown people that you can let go? Have you de-escalated in life? Right? Have you received stably and nobly? Hmm? Hard stuff to do. Appreciate you all very much. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.